Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you 10 expected topics on COVID-19 essay for CSS, PMS and any other competitive exam. So let's get started. First one is impacts of COVID-19 on Pakistan economy. Second, COVID-19 and looming education crisis. COVID-19 pandemic, a divine curse or cure? COVID-19 pandemic myths and reality? Coronavirus disease, the impact and role of mass media during the pandemic. The world after COVID-19. COVID-19 and eradication of poverty. Beyond the COVID-19 pandemic, global peace and imperative of our future. Global humanity paralyzed by COVID-19. COVID-19 and sustainability. When you are preparing for CSS, PMS or any other competitive exam, you have to prepare one topic from different dimensions because at the end we don't know how the topic will come and you have to tackle it, and you are only able to tackle the topic of essay in exam when you have practiced a lot. So do practice a lot, make outlines on different topics and also try to write some full-fledged essays for your practice. Build a habit to write one or two paragraphs, short paragraphs on your own, because it will help you a lot in the 3 hours of your exam. So best of luck. Have faith in Allah and definitely have faith in yourself also. If you are doing hard work with consistency, then inshallah you will be able to succeed. That's all for today's video. Hope so that this video will help you in preparing your essay. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Also share it with your class fellows, your friends and other CSS aspirants. Until now, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can get the notification of coming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.